introduce our project reverse gear mechanism on a motorcycle. The Indian terrain, as we know, is very uneven, and we often have to park our motorcycles on the roadside and downhill. So it becomes difficult for an individual to maneuver the vehicle with ease. During certain situations when we are traveling alone, it becomes very difficult to reverse the motorcycle when we are traveling alone. So what we are introducing is the reverse gear mechanism for motorcycle that directly couples the output gear output to the wheels, so the individual can move the vehicle backwards alone.
So in the reverse gear mechanism, what we have done is the bevel gear system. For that, we have modified the sprocket system and replaced it with the output shaft extension, which incorporates 4 main components. The main components are the bevel gear. Here we can see the bigger bevel gear and the 2 supporting bevel gears, and the pinion, which is rigidly attached to the sprocket. Then the 4th component is the shifter. These are the main components of bevel gear mechanism.
Guys, now we are seeing the forward motion of the vehicle. In forward motion, we can see the shifter is in the inner slot of the vehicle, and in this position we can see the bevel inner pinion gear is not attached to the supporting bevel gear, and in this position we get the output power from the output shaft directly to the wheel. Now guys, we can see the reverse motion of the vehicle. For reverse motion, what you have done is that you shift the shifter from inner slot to the outer slot. Now this inner pinion gear is attached to the supporting bevel gear. Now these are engaged, and we get the power from the output shaft into the pinion through the gear, and we get with the wheel.
Now the motorcycle is in the neutral position. We should shift the gear to first gear for the backward motion of the motorcycle.
Vehicle is in the forward mode, in which the slot is in the first slot. Now as you release the clutch, the wheels will be moving forward. Now we are going to shift to the reverse mode. For that, please use the shifter to switch it to the reverse mode. Okay, now as you release the clutch, the wheels will be moving backwards. This is possible because of the compound bevel gear arrangement, the total movement of which will give the reverse movement of the